Are you tired of half-eaten lunchboxes coming back home every day? You're not alone. Whether you're packing a lunch for a toddler, a picky 6-year-old, or a snack-loving teenager, finding something healthy and appealing can feel like an everyday battle. But what if I told you there's a way to make lunchboxes that are not only nutritious, but get eaten to the last bite? Today, I'm going to share age-specific, nutritionist-approved lunchbox ideas that kids will actually love without spending hours in the kitchen. Stick around, because we're also sharing one bonus tip that could change the way your child eats for good. Here's the truth. Most kids don't eat enough variety during school hours. They skip veggies, they trade snacks, and let's be honest, many lunchboxes end up in the bin. A poor lunch can lead to low energy, poor focus, and mood swings in class. That's why a balanced lunchbox is one of the most powerful parenting tools for your child's health, growth, and learning. But every age needs something different. So today, let's break it down. Toddlers need finger foods, soft textures, and variety. Their attention span is short, so small portions, big colors. Ideal one: mini cheese cubes, soft-boiled egg slices, steamed carrot coins, banana halves, and oat crackers. Add a tiny fruit mix, like cut grapes or blueberries. Pair with a water bottle or diluted fruit juice. No added sugar. Always cut everything to avoid choking hazards. And use a lunchbox with small compartments. Toddlers love exploring. They're still picky, but open to fun ideas. Idea 2. Mini whole grain sandwiches with almond butter and banana, cucumber stars, cherry tomatoes halved, and a yogurt pouch. Add one homemade oat cookie for a treat. Presentation is everything. Use cookie cutters, animal picks, or bento boxes. It makes all the difference. At this age, kids are growing fast and burning tons of energy. Idea 3. Turkey and cheese pinwheels, rolled in whole wheat tortilla. Carrot sticks, hummus dip, apple slices with cinnamon, and a few whole grain crackers. Add water or unsweetened milk. Always include something crunchy and something sweet. Balance keeps them interested. Now they're social eaters and more likely to compare lunches. Idea 4. Pasta salad with cherry tomatoes, olives, and cheese cubes. Add a hard-boiled egg, a side of watermelon chunks, and roasted chickpeas. These kids are learning independence. Let them help pack their lunch. It builds confidence and reduces complaints. This group needs more calories, and they start to skip meals if they're unhappy with their food. Idea 5. Grilled chicken wrapped with lettuce and tomato, a small Greek yogurt, trail mix with nuts and seeds, and a granola bar. Avoid sugary drinks. Instead, flavored water or low-fat milk works well. Let them customize. Give options within healthy boundaries. Teens are busy, self-conscious, and often eat fast. Idea 6. Quinoa bowl with black beans, avocado, corn, and a lime wedge. Add baked sweet potato wedges and a protein smoothie in a thermos. They often skip vegetables, so bowls and wraps are your best friend. Also, talk to them about why healthy eating matters. They care more than they show. Got nut allergies or gluten sensitivity? Swap peanut butter with sunflower seed butter. Use rice crackers or gluten-free bread. Try coconut yogurt or soy-based proteins. Always label lunchboxes clearly, and talk to your child about food safety at school. Kids love color. Nutritionists say, aim for 5 different colors in every lunchbox. Example: red strawberries, orange bell pepper strips, yellow corn salad, green peas, and blueberries. Each color brings different vitamins and antioxidants. Make it a game. Can you eat the rainbow today? Every age needs: 1. Carbs, whole grains, pasta, rice. 2. Protein, meat, beans, eggs. 3. Veggies or fruits. 4. A healthy fat, cheese, nuts, avocado. Use the 4-compartment rule. It keeps the lunchbox balanced and brain-friendly. Parents, you're busy. We get it. Tip: prep sandwiches, cut fruits, boil egg, and portion snacks the night before or on Sundays. Use fridge-safe lunch containers. Keep dips and fruits separate to avoid sogginess. It saves time and makes mornings smoother. Write a tiny note, add a sticker, or pack their favorite fruit now and then. These small touches build emotional connection and make kids look forward to lunch, especially for younger ones. A "Mom loves you" note goes a long way. Let them choose their fruit or pick a snack. Give options like apple or grapes. Not open-ended, "What do you want?" Kids who help plan or pack are more likely to eat. This builds responsibility and reduces waste. So there you go. From toddlers to teens, from rainbow meals to wrap hacks, you now have a full toolkit of healthy lunchbox ideas made with love and science. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Every small effort you make adds up in your child's health, focus, and happiness. If this video helped you, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Bright Little Health. We share weekly tips on children's nutrition, parenting hacks, and meal ideas, always research-backed and always heart-centered. Comment below, what's your biggest lunchbox struggle or your favorite go-to snack? Let's support each other, one bite at a time. Thanks for watching, and here's to raising bright, healthy kids together